guys ready?
Yes, sir.
If I'm talking, watch me, don't watch anybody. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
All your mark. Get set, wait for your neighbor and lift your leg very well. Go! Lift your leg, until you stand up to the bed. Stand up to the bed. Nice, nice. And I love that.
Basket to the basket. Yes. Come. Yes.
Go. Good job.
Go and catch the ball. Go. Yeah, you see them. See them, see them, see them, see them, see them, see them, see
You don't
them.
have to pick the ball. Kick the ball.
Yes. Playing.
Kick it.
See them. After skating, we do footballing. See small kids. Yes. And cut heavy. Yes.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Know your imperfections, every angel. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know.